I'm from Martinsville. Not Martinsville, Indiana, Martinsville, Virginia. Martinsville, Virginia is in the southern part of Virginia. My husband, Rick Whitener, and I decided after much research of 3 cities that we were going to move to Indianapolis. We had looked at Washington, D.C. and at Charleston, South Carolina, but after coming and making some visits to Indianapolis, we decided that this was where we wished to come because people seemed so welcoming to folks who had never set foot in Indianapolis, who were totally new to the region. They seemed so much more welcoming, and it didn't seem that the jobs were of a certain number, and when that certain number was reached, then anybody else who came in, regardless of how talented that person might be, would not have a chance of finding a job here. We voted on where to go, and our vote was for Indianapolis, so we moved here, and this was in 1977. Now, since we have been here, we have worked at a number of different jobs and lived in 3 different houses. We're living in the house now that we decided to build, and we built it just like we wanted. It's a really nice house, and we enjoy being there so much. Something that we have come to understand are more things about expressions from people from Indianapolis. When we first arrived, we kept hearing people say, "We're going to have a pitch-in." A pitch-in? What is a pitch-in? We always thought that pitching in was for trash. But people here were not talking about trash at all. They seemed really enthusiastic about these pitch-ins. And so after about a month, we finally realized they were talking about food. And so we decided that, yes, a pitch-in could be all right. Now, in Virginia, we always called it a covered dish supper. And in North Carolina, where Rick is from, they always called it a potluck supper. And I still call it covered dish supper or potluck supper. I have never and never will convert to pitch-in because it's always sounded too much like trash to me. But we have been here since 1977, and we too have seen the city change so much and grow so much bigger in terms of stores and things to do and places to go and really, really interesting things. We are far away from our families. We have no relatives here at all. That's one of the reasons that I enjoy coming here, to be with people who are interested in the things I am interested in, because they become, after a while, sort of like my family to me. So, Indianapolis is still our home, and we plan on staying here, even though the first winter that we spent here was the winter of 1978. The year of the blizzard.